Lyricatalist, BK, recognition, the mixtape, Barz on Barz. Sam, sure.
Don't come close to this blazing rapper if you're feeling cool. Better open those doors if you wanna know what I'm going through. Every chick that wrinkle smile at me, shit, I want all of them. But fuck it, I don't even smile much like Ray Donovan. Lord, make my table turn like I hired a DJ. And I'ma grab the money and run like this was a relay. I'm Lyricatalist, but those that know me call me BK. No Calvin Klein, but I'ma keep on hustling till I see K's. Boy, when you're lyrically ill, that's a psychotic mindset. The bad bitches tend to fuck up your brain, I call that mindsets. And I don't see these cats giving my specs. It's crazy when I make it rain, it's cats and dogs, and I don't even like pets. Take a floozy for a ride like I'ma give a 2K. I got a crazy sex drive like a Mercedes coupe. I plan to take over the game and they thought it was true play. I said one day is one day, and then one day is 2 days. Incinerated calendars for chicks that wouldn't date me. And I tend to clear my throat to put my statement vaguely. Persistence with confidence made me tell them I wouldn't mind getting signed by Eminem, but most these record deals are shady. I'm stuck in a controversy, my dream versus reality. My stomach is rumbling, so hustling is a necessity. Done a lot of things to make you wanna rip my heart off me. Wasn't born with the devil in my head, but he's a part of me.
Move fakers, we move through snackers. By now they know we got bars, Tennessee boost jackers.
These hoes be like, nigga, if you broke you wouldn't tap us. Groupies are not musicians but always open for rappers. I'm the first breath of a newborn cup, last kick of a dying horse. Throw punches with lion claws, and I don't even show remorse. This a lyrical lecture for fakers, it's a free course. But if they talking beef, as I make my meal at 3 course. It's undoubted I'm sick well, the other parts like free pill. I'm stone cold like a seashell, and I place flows like I'm in hell. I heard they talking dope and I don't smoke, but I got weed smell, so please go check the door. My name is starting to ring the bell. Oh well, that lyrical Godzilla. Look me straight in the eye and you'll see a born sinner. Put your beef on my plate, I want that raw dinner. And your chick is for desserts, and I'ma turn her like Tina. They felt our delivery, but still wanna postpone us. Here without sin, fuck it, my niggas is stoners. This industry owes us like we loners. Tell Pop to build me a roundhouse. I don't wanna cut corners. I'm shaming these faking niggas and I don't feel the guilt. I was born to succeed, I never settled for defeats. So call me what you wanted, man. I'm crazy when I speak, I make your cheek go down like vendor people when they greet. But suicidal thoughts, the gate to heaven was too close. Got me thinking though, what if the gate to heaven was too close? It's true that you can lose a lot of money chasing hoes. Fuck them broke pictures, you should go for money chasing hoes like Duban. Impilo ngakuduzula pheka la siphila ngeJuban. Ngethi ukuyivika itori manje ngishaya ngeJupan. Zobulala amakhetha hunt them. Bebosinda ngonkosi sikelela babhimbi national anthem.